This effort is actually going to succeed. And let me say one more thing, that in the past, now, and in the future, we are opposed to brutality meted out on citizens while we are managing any part of our resources, including the management of our forest.
There cannot be a more clear and ambiguous endorsement. So I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that as far as political goodwill, we have it. Now, on the issue about 14 days, again, the reason why 14 days was settled on is because of the imperatives of the moment. We negotiated with the members and the government, and we agreed that they deliver their preliminary report within 14 days, and then their final report within 30 days.